Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I will show you how to sign out on all devices in Netflix. Let's begin. So, you see guys, the good thing about Netflix is that it will allow users to stream, movies or series in multiple devices, and you can actually do that simultaneously. And there's actually a way for you to sign out of all devices. Say, for instance, if you just want to make sure that you reboot, restart it or refresh, or just to be safe. In some cases, say for example, your phone is stolen, and you just want to be safe for that other person to not watch movies or use your Netflix. So you could also do that by signing out on all devices from your account. So bear in mind that if you're gonna do that, guys, you could remove, you could actually sign out all devices all at once, meaning that all other users would have to be, sign out as well. So how to do that is you go to your account, just click on this one. Once you click on that, guys, it would lead you to go to the bottom of the page, and then you would actually see here settings. So there's option here, and then just look for the sign out of all devices. So if you want to do that, it would give you this confirmation if you really be signing out on all devices, and then just click on sign out, and then it would already sign out for all devices. Now, in case you forget this tutorial, you could always go to Help Center, guys, and then for Help Center, just type here how to sign out all devices, and then Netflix will give you the link where you could also check the answers from there. That's it. So, if you want to learn more about Netflix, you could always subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.